Mastering Customs Valuation for Alcohol Imports. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable information on customs brokerage and international trade. Today, we will be diving into the topic of customs valuation methods specifically for alcohol imports. So, if you're involved in the alcohol industry or interested in the customs processes for alcohol, you're in the right place. Let's get started. When it comes to importing alcohol, it's important to understand how the customs valuation process works. Customs valuation refers to the process of determining the value of goods for customs purposes, and it affects the calculation of customs duties, taxes, and fees. There are several methods used to determine the customs value of alcohol imports. The most commonly used methods are the transaction value method, the transaction value of identical goods method, and the deductive value method. The transaction value method is the primary method used for customs valuation. This method considers the actual price paid or payable for the imported alcohol. It includes any adjustments such as commissions, royalties, and license fees that are directly related to the imported goods. In some cases where transaction value information is not available, the transaction value of identical goods method can be used. This method involves comparing the price paid or payable for identical or similar goods imported at or around the same time as the goods being valued. If the transaction value method and the transaction value of identical goods method cannot be used, the deductive value method comes into play. This method uses the selling price of the goods in the country of importation as a basis for determining the customs value, deducting any costs incurred after importation. It's important to note that customs valuation also takes into account other costs such as transportation, insurance, and any additional charges incurred during the transportation of the alcohol. These costs are added to the customs value to arrive at the final value for customs purposes. To ensure compliance with customs valuation methods and regulations, it's crucial to work with an experienced customs broker. A customs broker is a licensed professional who acts as an intermediary between the importer and the customs authorities, providing expertise and guidance throughout the import process. In addition to understanding customs valuation methods, it's also important to be aware of other requirements for alcohol imports. These may include obtaining the necessary permits, licenses, and certifications, as well as complying with labeling and packaging regulations specific to the alcohol industry. Finally, when importing alcohol, it's essential to submit the required import documentation accurately and on time. This includes the Importer Security Filing (ISF), which must be filed at least 24 hours before the shipment is loaded onto a vessel bound for the United States. And don't forget about customs bonds. A customs bond is a financial guarantee that ensures the payment of any duties, taxes, and fees owed to the customs authorities. It serves as a protection for both the importer and the government. Working with a customs broker can help you navigate this requirement and ensure compliance. That brings us to the end of today's video on customs valuation methods for alcohol imports. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to providing you with more valuable content on customs brokerage and international trade. Disclaimer note below. Until next time.